My name is Mania Amit, and my PPT topic is a MIMO. MIMO is stand for a multiple input and multiple output. In this PPT, we contains an introduction about MIMO, how MIMO works, format for a MIMO, MIMO capacity, and the two different users like a single user MIMO and multi-user MIMO, advantage of MIMOs and application of MIMOs. The next slide is an introduction of MIMO. MIMO stands for multiple input and multiple output. Is an antenna technology for wireless communication in which multiple antennas are used at both the source transmitter and the other end is the receivers. The antenna at each end of the communication circuit are combined to minimize error, optimize data speed, and improve the capacity of radio transmission by enabling data to travel over many signal paths at the same time. In wireless communication technology, there are MISO, CISO, SIMO, and MIMO. The MISO is a multiple input and single output, also called a transmitter diversity. CISO, single input and single output. And single antenna is used to transmit side and also receiver side. SIMO, single input, multiple output, also called a receiver diversity. Out of two signals, the receiver process strongest one is the. In this diagram, we study about CISO, SIMO, MISO, and MIMO. In a CISO is a single input and single output is a both side a transmitter and receiver. In a SIMO, single input at a transmitter and a multiple output at a receiver. MISO is a multiple input and single output. A transmitter is as a MISO is a MII is a multiple input and a receiver is a single output. MIMO is a multiple input, multiple output. A transmitter and receiver have a multiple input and multiple output. So next slide is about a how MIMO works. MIMO take advantage of a multiple path. In this diagram, we also that transmitter and receiver give each other to multiple signals. A transmitter transmit a multiple signal and receiver receive the multiple signals. A MIMO use a multiple antenna to send a multiple parallel signals from a transmitter. In an urban environment, this signal will bounce off a trees, building, etc., and continue on their way to reach the receivers. Multipath occurs when the different signal arrive at the receiver at a various time. With a MIMO, the receiver end uses an algorithm or a speckle processing to sort out the multiple signal to produce one signal that has the originally transmitted data. A multiple data stream transmit in a single channel at the same time. Multiple radio collect a multiple signal. Adaptive signal processing at both transmitted and receiver. In this figure, a base station release a three signal or a receiver three signals. One signal go through a zero path to direct a mobile station, and the another signal is go through a scatter with one path and the line with non-line of sight in received by a mobile station. Second path is also like a non-line of sight and go through a mobile station. The next slide is about a format for a MIMO. In this format, two types is contains spectacle diversity and spectacle multiplexing. In this spectacle diversity, we know about how MIMO is useful for multiple input and multiple output at transmitter and receiver. Spectacle diversity, same information is transmit by a different antenna. Same information like a transmitter, one transmitter is send one output and a receiver is a one signal. The diversity contains improve the link reliability. The in MIMO is improve the reliability like between a transmitter and a receiver. Improve the coverage or clarity of a signal or improve in a signal processing. The another one is a spectacle multiplexing. In this information is divided into number of stream and different stream is arrive at a receiver in a different time slots. Different antennas transmit different data streams. Different in a different antenna transmit a different data stream and increase the data rate. The next slide is a MIMO capacity. The capacity of MIMO system. Capacity of MIMO is a C is equal to B into log 1 plus SNR. And in a figure, the horizontal part is a SNR. It's a signal to noise ratio in dB. The horizontal part 0 to 30 is in a capacity beats by hertz in all second hertz or seconds. In this diagram, fifth line like a seesaw, 2 cross 2 seesaw, 2 cross 2 is MIMO, 3 cross 3 MIMO, and 4 cross 4 MIMO are represented uh, repetitively. The next slide is about a single user MIMO versus a multi-user MIMO. There are two primary types of a MIMO. One is a single user and another one is a multi-user. In a single user MIMO system, data stream can only interact with one device on the network at the same time. Like a private network, in MIMO system, there are outperform single user MIMO is like a Google or something like a multiple input and multiple out. Issue arrive with a SIMO. There is a disadvantage of a single user also. When a many user attempt to use the network simultaneously, if one person is uploading video and another one is configuring, the data will stream will choke, causing latency or delay with time skyrocket. On the other end of the spectrum, a multi-user MIMO has the advantage of being able to stream multi-data asset as a multi-device at a time, like a YouTube stream. There are various possible configuration for those MIMO system with a 2 cross 2, 4 cross 4, 6 cross 6 and 8 cross 8 being the most common. In future, a 5G massive system manipulate this configuration to enable extension network capacity. In this slide, we study the diagram of a single user MIMO and multi-user MIMO. While a single user MIMO can transmit multiple data stream to only one device at a time, a multiple user MIMO can send a multiple stream of data to multiple devices simultaneously. In MIMO, there is a one receiver or a antenna. They give a only signal to a laptop. In single user, multiple input and multiple output. In a multiple input, in multiple output, multiple user, there are three devices like a mobile, laptop, and a remote control. They receive a signal from a receiver or a antenna. Next slide is about advantage of a MIMO. Like, take advantage of a multiple propagation. In MIMO, transmitter and receiver is a communication with a communication in a multipath. The input and output is given by multipath to base station to a mobile station. Increase in capacity. The capacity of a MIMO signal is input and output from a base station to mobile station is increased, and also quality is increased to communication quality or a signal quality will increase from base station to mobile station. Spectral efficiency. The both multiplexing spectral or diversity spectral are efficiency is improved from MIMO. The next slide is a application of a MIMO. The MIMO is work with all type of networks to receive or transmit a signal to base station to mobile station, and that third generation networking also occurs. The Wi-Fi networking is like also 5G fourth generation networking, uh, LTE, VoLTE, or and all different type of fourth generation also occur. In future, 5G network fifth generation or is also uh, part of a multiple input and multiple output networking or communication. system. It's all about a MIMO, a multiple input and multiple output. Thank you.